Hi, I'm Akshay, co-founder of Quality, an ancillary service management platform for hotel, hostels, and vacation homes to provide better guest experience and generate additional revenue. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Quality to get most out of it and provide best-in-class guest experience to your guest. Quality has two major components. One is the hotel app and second is the guest front, which we'll get into in a bit. Once you download the app, you can log in or sign up into the app using your phone number. Once you enter your phone number, we'll send you an OTP. Once the OTP verification is done, you can list your hotel on Quality using two ways. One, using your MMT URL. Second, manually. However, we recommend using MMT URL. Just copy and paste your MMT URL. Once you do that, our system goes and collects all the relevant data from your MMT URL and quickly creates a guest front for you by saving a good amount of time. Now, as you can see, my guest front is ready. On the top, we have the images that we have collected from MMT, the hotel name, and for the sake of this demo, we have created a menu. As you can see, the entire page is divided into three sections: food, others, and COVID essential. The user can quickly search the item. Also, they can track their orders and request. Okay, let's get back to the app. The app is divided into five major sections. Number one, the guest and room upgrade, from where you can send amazing room upgrade offers to your guest on the fly. Second is service, from where you can list and manage your ancillary services. Third is tracking, from where you can track and fulfill your guest request. Fourth is analytics. Here you can track all your revenue and service related analytics. Fifth is the app setting. So let's start by creating a menu. As you can see, by default we give you four sections: food, room upgrade, others, and COVID essential. However, you can add more sections by pressing plus. Let's add a quick food item into our menu. So let's say I want to offer a hot dog on my menu to my guest. I can select under which category I want to show it to my guest. However, you can create a new category by pressing plus. Next, you need to enter the price. So let's say I want to offer it at 100 rupees and the service time. This is for two reasons: to communicate client how much time it's going to take to fulfill the order, and second, to track the quality of service. So let's say I'll take 20 minutes to fulfill this request. I select an image. Then once we press add item, it's get added to the menu. Over here you can see the hot dog is added. However, you can also quickly disable a particular item from the menu once it's out of stock by pressing a toggle button next to the item. Okay, so now our menu is ready. Let's start sending room upgrade offers to our guest. So once a booking comes in from any OTA, all you need to do is enter the guest name, enter the number of night they are staying for, their checkout date, and the WhatsApp number. This we need to engage customer on WhatsApp throughout their journey. So what it enables you to do is, it takes away a lot of effort from you to engage with the customer, and our backend algorithms start engaging with the customer depending upon where they are in their hotel journey. So once I do that, I add guest to my list. Now let's say the guest has arrived. All I need to do is, before that, as you can see, the guest has received a push notification on WhatsApp that my hotel booking is confirmed, along with all the relevant details, the phone number, and at the end, as you can see, the guest front URL is there from where I can quickly access the services. Also, they also get a notification for a room upgrade, wherein they can quickly upgrade a room by accessing this URL. Now let's say the guest has arrived. All I need to do is enter the room number that I'm allotting them. Let's say I allot room number 102 and change their status from pre-check-in to check-in. So now the guest is in your hotel. As soon as you do that, immediately the guest receives another WhatsApp notification welcoming the guest into the hotel along with their room number. And again, as you can see, we keep on reminding them about this guest front from where they can place any request. So now the guest has arrived. Now let's say the guest wish to place an order. All they can do is, on their WhatsApp notification, they need to click on a guest URL and they land up on this page. So let's say for breakfast I want to order oatmeal and poha. I can add instruction as per my requirement, and then I can place the order. As you can see, my number is verified. I can see my room number. We provide you with two methods to pay. One is through debit and credit card, also UPI. So let's say if I wish to pay via debit and credit card, I need to enter my credit card. And once the payment is done, the order is confirmed. So now the guest is redirected to the tracking page on their guest front that my order is placed, and at the same time they have been notified on their website on WhatsApp that the order is placed along with the order details, and they can track the order from here, which we are seeing over here. Now on the hotel app, you immediately get a notification saying that there is an order from a guest. I press on the card. I get two options. One is either I can reject the order, but if at all you wish to reject the order, you need to provide a reason so that we can communicate it to the guest. However, for the demo, we'll accept the order. Now once the order is accepted, it moves into the processing, and at the same time the guest is notified that the order has been confirmed by the hotel and they are preparing it. Now once the order is prepared and delivered, you can quickly press the delivered button from here, and the guest is notified that the order has been fulfilled and delivered to them via WhatsApp push notification. They can instantly give you a review and rating, which is very important. So this becomes your first party authentic review and rating, and at the same time they can also access bill from here for their record keeping. Let's get back to this. As you can see, the guest can track the order in real time at every stage on their mobile phone or their laptop or desktop. And as you can see, now the order is into completed state. So that's our order tracking and fulfillment flow for you. Last section is analytics. The analytics is divided into three sections: weekly, monthly and yearly. You can track your revenue analytics, how the revenue is coming in from your ancillary services. Then you can track by services. So if I wish to see how my food menu is doing, you can see that which are the top selling dishes. Similarly for room upgrade, how am I doing with my room upgrade offers. Similarly, you can track revenue per guest at a service level as well. Also, you can track how many transactions are happening, how many orders and requests are coming from the guest, and how you are fulfilling them. And similarly, transactions at the category level, others, food and rooms. And if you add more categories into your menu, you can see that as well. Last section is settings. So if at all you want to say at night your kitchen closes at 10, instead of turning off each and every item from the food menu, all we can do is quickly turn off it from here. And as you can see now, once you do that, the food menu is disabled. So it's a quick action that we have provided you, wherein you can quickly turn off or turn on a particular category. So yeah, so that's Quality app for you. If you wish to give it a go, we offer a 30-day trial free of cost. You can quickly go on to Play Store, download the app and start using it. In case you face any difficulty, our support team and customer success team is always there for you 24/7. You can quickly raise a ticket on our website and our team will get back to you to help you and get started with quality. Thank you.